Hi everybody, it's Nancy, your favorite innkeeper at Old Square Inn in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania in beautiful Lancaster County. And guess what? Today I have Randy Reed with me. He's a longtime guest, and today he actually made breakfast for the rest of the guests. He's going to show you today how to make some cheese grits. Go for it, Randy. What do you have going here?
Okay, we've got 2 cups of chicken broth going, and we're going to be adding some ingredients. We're going to be adding some fresh garlic.
All right,
and,
should we do that?
Okay, some fresh garlic, about a clove.
And you can mince that, or you can put it through a garlic press.
A pinch of cayenne pepper, that's the secret ingredient. We've got 1 tablespoon of butter.
And it smells delicious already.
Okay, and the most important part is we got some freshly ground pepper, coarse, but the coarsest you can, the better it is. So you should throw the stuff in there. So what happens is as this starts to simmer, okay, when we put the grits in, all those flavors will be absorbed into the grits. It's absolutely incredible.
It's so delicious.
Okay, so we got this pot ready to go.
Okay.
And so now the important part is when we take the grits, okay, because this is at a simmer, okay, we start to slowly add the grits, and you want to stir to make sure it doesn't clump.
All right, is that why you're adding them slowly?
That's correct.
Okay, so you have what, half a cup of grits here and 2 cups of liquid?
It's about 1 to 4.
Got it.
Okay, that looks good.
Yeah, and now how long will this cook?
Okay, we'll simmer this for about 10 minutes.
All right.
Okay, and you'll start to see how it starts to get creamy. It'll start to absorb all the liquid, and it'll be all right.
So what happens if, like, I'm in the middle of cooking these grits, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot to put my lipstick on, and I have to go run and put on my lipstick and the thing.
Okay, you can turn it down.
Yeah, well, that would be a good idea right there, right? Or take it off the stove.
Take
but
it
if
off
I'm
the
like,
stove.
oh, my lipstick, and I can't even think of the stove, then what happens?
I don't wear lipstick.
I know. Not that
I haven't thought of that.
No, I'm saying,
Okay.
I'm saying, if I go and leave the stove and this thing gets really hard, what happens? What can I do to make it better?
Okay, you can add a little bit of cream, and we're going to do that.
Okay.
Got a little half and half.
Got it?
And so what we're going to do is we're going to add that, and that really makes this mixture creamy. And so we're going to spin it up.
Got it.
Okay. And so that's pretty much ready.
Grits.
Okay.
Got
and
it.
so now we're ready for the cheese. And so we've got 3/4 cup.
White cheddar?
White cheddar.
How can you use white? Just
because we like to keep the color of the grits. Because if we use orange cheddar, it kind of looks kind of funny on the plate. Okay. And the other thing is we put in 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese.
You guys love cheese, right?
Okay. And we stir it up, and then this is it. We're ready.
Yum.
Okay. And so now what you do is you can put all kinds of different things on this, and what my wife likes on Saturday mornings is we take a poached egg, we put it directly on, and then we garnish with some fresh parsley.
And that's what we did this morning, put poached egg. I learned how to make poached eggs today too, so come on over here, I'll make you a poached egg. All right, so here are the grits, and what do I garnish this with?
This is fresh parsley out of Nancy's garden this morning.
Oh my God.
And there you go.
And pepper, salt, because we put that in.
We put just a little bit. Well, I don't put salt on because there's salt in the cheese.
Got it.
And we just like to put a little pepper for color. And that's it. Give it a try.
Yes, I love this.
Does it work?
It is delicious. Thank you, Chef Randy. All right, this is Nancy, your favorite innkeeper from Old Square Inn. I will see you next time. Can't wait till you come over. Bye.
Bye.